Before I go ride, I have a checklist of things that I go through to make sure my bike is ready to go, especially if it's the first ride of the year. Prepping for the season includes more than just the bike, but the gear too. When it comes to chemicals, it's all about the brands you trust, and we've got a lot of them. Everything you need from oil to chain lube, bike wash to hand cleaner, we got you covered.
While we're talking oils, don't forget to keep up with your suspension. It's easy to forget, out of sight, out of mind, but with each bump or jump that you hit, you want the best suspension possible. Having fresh oils will also increase the longevity of the parts. When it does come time to replace what's inside, we have plenty of parts for that, from Pro X, Bike Master, and OEM parts. Even worse than not changing the oil, no oil at all. If you got a leaky fork seal, don't ignore it. Fix it.